the mobile app jumpstart, something like that. Amish and I took over this idea, and well, it was a tough one to start since we know that we can use Panoptix on an iPad, on an iPhone right now. So why we need a mobile app? Well, we try to answer that question. So I try to use myself as a use case. Why am I going to use apps on my phone? I'm a stock freak, so I have my special app that is monitoring stocks. And what I really do is just sometimes every day I use my phone just to check my portfolio. And if I'm interested to do anything, I go on my laptop and I use my trading platform to really act on my stock. So I try to use this analogy within Panoptix. And the analogy is a stock with a building. So I really want to have an app that is give me an idea of how my building are performing. Single shot, open an app, very cool, simple to see. And we also wanted to inject two capabilities that you have only on a mobile phone, the geolocalization and also the push notification. So that was the goal, and didn't mind show up at the start. Amish and I had a kind of tough choice at the beginning of the hackathon. We could have focused only on the mobile app and mock up the data, the graphics, everything. But we say, well, let's try to have even more fun and develop the missing feature that the Panoptix platform has today to enable this type of app. Okay. So on the bottom there is a login button. So one of the first challenges that we have to solve is, well, we cannot do the single sign-on with Panoptix, at least right now. The platform doesn't support it. So say, well, who cares? Let's do that. And we implement the single sign-on leveraging Google. So what we have done, and what we have configured right now, I have my account bound to University of Minnesota. Armish account is bound to the Green Company. So Armish can log in as Armish, and he's going to log in inside the Green Company. So if you press the button, log in, Google is Google has prompted up, insert your account password, and first thing that you have to do is authorize Panoptix to use your Google account. Armish said very quickly yes, and here is the app. Very simple. The background is personalized according to your customer company. We go on our dashboard for the portfolio management, click on that, and you get a very quick view of how your Green Company building are performing. We got the icon is a quick shot to tell you that this building is performing better compared to yesterday. This one worse, this is stable. A couple of KPI down here to take it to cheese. And yes, another important thing, I said that we want to use geolocalization. In that case, you see that the engineering building is highlighted. Guess what? The form is in the engineering building. Now, let's go back quickly. That means it's very fast. The second feature, notification. So why I want to be notified? Because in case I want to react very fast to an event. What event? Maybe my building is requesting too much energy. So I want to select the engineering building. I want to select a demand threshold. I want to say yes, configured like that, and the backend that we develop is going to send you a notification in case you are too fast. Okay, send it again. On the top, stop for a second. Panoptix has notified you since we put the threshold of 300, the demand is 1,000 whatever, and you got the notification. We saw in the previous presentation that we can see notification. But you know what? Let's take notification to the next level. So let's click on the notification, use the data inside the notification, and see a chart. Okay? Well, now, last feature. Let's prove that the single sign-on is on. Let's try to log in as Simone. We didn't have time to implement the logout, so it's an hard logout. It's not my password. I changed this one. Don't even try.
You know, we're just obfuscating it by typing it incorrectly.
Well, we can show it later. The difference is that you log in, you see the university result background, you see different type of building because everything is connected to Panoptix, and I'll show you how it's connected. So, we have a phone, Android, as you see, we have Panoptix. The first thing that we have done, you know how much I like API, so API first. Create new set of API to extend the Panoptix functionality. We use Google as identity provider to implement the single sign-on. We are using the Google platform, the cloud messaging to send text to push notification to the phone. Everything is stocked like this. And moreover, another interesting dimension, we try to take a look at cost. So on the left, basically we have open source software. In the middle, we are using Azure, the platform side of Azure. So they no VM, nothing. Azure is running this code. Which code? Open source again, Node.js. And deployment is painful, no. Just I can deploy right away from my Dropbox folder. And this is pretty much what we have done. We can show you login if you guys don't trust me that everything is hooked up to Panoptix. In that case, with Simone, I accept that Panoptix is going to use my data. Background is different. The dashboard looks like building 07, and you guys know that this is university names of buildings. Next step. Okay, next step. Improve a little bit the single sign-on because right now mapping customer is tricky. We need to, hard-code the account. But definitely I can do that in 2 minutes and hook up your gym account to University of Minnesota. We need to connect the performance API to real KW and cost. You know that today we have that data in Panoptix, but it's not easy accessible. We do not have API to access that data. We can add the performance KPI to a different type of portfolio dashboard. And we can also improve the bedtime configuration for the notification. Right now it's pretty tough to decide how can you find the total demand of a building. Okay.